The service parking brake warning in Chevrolet Traverse vehicles has become a common maintenance alert, particularly affecting models from 2018 to 2024. This warning indicates an issue with the electronic parking brake system, or EPB, which has replaced traditional mechanical parking brakes in modern vehicles. Statistics show that approximately 15 to 20% of Traverse vehicles experience this warning within the first 100,000 miles, with peak occurrences typically happening between 60 and 80,000 miles. The primary causes of this warning fall into four main categories. Actuator motor failure accounts for 40% of cases, followed by control module issues at 25%. Brake pad wear contributes to 20% of cases, while wiring and connector problems account for the remaining 15%. Understanding these causes helps in proper diagnosis and repair. Addressing this warning promptly is crucial to prevent system lockout and ensure your parking brake functions correctly. Ignoring the warning can lead to complete system failure and potential safety issues. The first step in diagnosing EPB issues is performing a comprehensive system scan using a GM-compatible OBD2 scanner. Look for these specific diagnostic trouble codes: C0899 for actuator motor issues, C0896 for control module problems, C0561 and C0563 for sensor malfunctions. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of key EPB components. Check the wiring harness for corrosion or damage, especially at connector points. Brake pad thickness is critical. Pads must be at least 3 millimeters thick. Worn pads can trigger EPB warnings and affect system performance. Functional testing involves checking EPB engagement and disengagement cycles while monitoring actuator current draw, which should be between 8 and 12 amps during normal operation. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the root cause. Actuator motor replacement is the most expensive at $400 to $800 per side, while control module reprogramming costs $150 to $300. Preventive maintenance can reduce EPB failure rates by up to 75%. Perform annual function tests, clean connectors every 24 months in harsh environments, and use the EPB regularly to prevent actuator seizure.